I've proven to myself once again that you can't out-exercise a crappy diet. It was a free-for-all for like 2 months over the holidays, and sure enough, my pants were tight and the number on the scale was up. And that was especially frustrating because I had stepped up my workout schedule in that same time frame. So I cleaned things up. I meal planned some nice clean meals, and I just got full on my balanced whole food meals. I didn't actually even follow my full weight loss program. I just cleaned things up a bit, staying hydrated. I am taking a few of my supplements, so like my thyroid supplement, and my protein powder has a multivitamin in it basically, and my magnesium at night, and my vitamin D, really just things everyone should be taking. Also something with berberine in it, just to help keep that blood sugar balanced. And guess what? In 2 weeks time, not even 2 weeks time, my pants are fitting, the scale is down like over 5 pounds, which is totally motivating to stay on that healthy track.